Today let us see how to use the search function. Here I am going to hit search to find text. What is the text that I am going to find? To find the text I am going to fix it as A now. A comma within this text. And the start point, okay, anyway, we're not going to do the start point now. Give enter, let us see what we get. We get 7. The position of A is 7. If you watch here, the search, I have given here capital A, but still it is returning a value 7. It shows that search is not case sensitive. Even if I give small a, it is going to return the same value. So search is not case sensitive. And moreover, we can use wildcards also. Let us see what the result that we get for the other two. No, because these two don't contain text here, so it is returning this function. So now what I'm going to do is we are going to use this wildcards, an operation called wildcards. We can also use wildcards in a search. Give enter, you will get 1. Because all those characters before the base, the keyword base, is all considered as right, even including the space, it is considered as one single character. So search will give the result as 1. This is the difference between find and search is. Find is case sensitive, whereas this search is not case sensitive. Find cannot use, in find we can't use wildcards, whereas in search we can use wildcards.